This protocol is a noise-free, clean, and sustainable way of producing energy. It can easily solve the energy crisis problem by converting the water salinity gradient into electricity.
The method provides a defectless, freestanding large area membrane with outstanding physicochemical properties for generating efficient power using LED. The output performance of the LED device can be scaled up, and the membrane can be utilized in other electrochemical devices like fuel cells and redox flow batteries.
Homogeneous solution preparation, filtration, drying, control thickness, wash, membrane treatment regulate the reproducible membrane performance. The stack alignment and pressure drop optimization are crucial for producing stable device performance.
To prepare a cation exchange membrane, add 5% sulfonated polyether ether ketone fibers to a 250 milliliter round bottom flask, and dissolve the fibers in dimethylacetamide solvent. Then, shake the flask for 10 minutes so that all of the ionomer polymers settle to the bottom of the flask. Place the mixture into a silicone oil bath with a magnetic stir bar, and vigorously stir the solution at 500 revolutions per minute for 24 hours at 80 degrees Celsius to obtain a homogeneous solution. On the next day, filter 30 milliliters of the solution through a 0.45 micrometer PTFE filter into a circular 18